how to get API key on Shopify. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to get API key on Shopify. To get started, access your Shopify dashboard. In the bottom left corner, locate the setting option and click it. In settings, click on apps and sales channel. Inside apps and sales channel, in the upper right corner, click develop app option. Next, click Allow Custom App Development. You will need to carefully review Shopify API license and terms of use. Once you have done, click Allow Custom App Development. Now click the Create an App option. Fill the fields, enter the name for your app, such as Sales App, and then click the Create App button. Now, if you click on API credentials, you will find both the API key and secret key here. That concludes the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an update from me. Your comments and input mean a lot to me, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. I truly appreciate your engagement.